There are names we cannot erase from history because of the meaningful contributions made in sectors such as science, industry, and communication. Such names belong to the key people in providing solutions to problems that came with change. Names such as Albert Einstein, Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, to name a few, will forever be etched in the history of mankind because they offered solutions to which we are beneficiaries to this day. We can trace digital clocks, GPS, cell phones, and even the internet to people who saw problems and put in the work to create solutions we are enjoying today. This ability to solve problems in ever-changing systems in science, industry, politics, and the economy is not for a select few. You too can make your mark in history and have your name written down for future generations by becoming a problem solver. You have what it takes to offer lasting solutions to the problems people encounter daily. What is problem solving? It is a mental process to identify, analyze, and solve a problem. Problem solving is about seeing a gap and filling it. It is about finding multiple solutions to an issue and processing each one until you have the best one. Marie Van Button Brown was a nurse who lived in Queens while her husband, Albert Brown, was an electronics technician. The crime rate in their neighborhood was very high and police response was often slow, even in cases of emergency. To increase their levels of personal security, the two invented a system that would allow them to know when there were intruders in their home and enable them to notify relevant authorities quickly. This was the first security system through which they birthed designs still used in modern surveillance systems. All this came from a need to solve a problem in security. Society can also remember you for your inventions if you identify problems around you and find solutions for them. Traits of problem solvers. Perseverance. Finding a lasting solution to a problem does not happen overnight. It requires a careful study of the obstacle. If you hit a wall in trying to solve the issue at hand, do not take it as a sign of defeat. Thomas Edison is famous for his perseverance in inventing the light bulb. After trying 1,000 times and failing to solve the problem, he could have given up. His persistence and perseverance in analyzing his previous failures and making relevant adjustments are the reason we have electric bulbs today. Do not give up when faced with a problem. When nothing works, and you have tried everything, try something else. Unknown ability to innovate and push boundaries. One barrier to problem solving is boundaries. If one cannot see beyond limitations, they are unlikely to find innovative solutions. You cannot use the same limited path and expect to find alternative approaches to new challenges. This requires creativity and a belief that there is more beyond the glass ceiling. To be a great problem solver, be willing to shatter all barriers to innovation. Set your mind on the path of providing excellent solutions despite the surrounding limitations. Drive. Problem solvers gear themselves to work hard until they see a solution. They are so driven by their goals and are unwilling to sit back and watch. The drive in problem solvers stems from their passion to provide solutions. Problem solvers believe their ideas are the answers to obstacles. They see their ideas to completion. People who seek to offer solutions in different fields do not abort the mission. They follow the process from start to finish. They can delegate tasks to other people around them, but they monitor closely until they solve the problem. How to become a problem solver. Have a positive outlook. People who provide notable solutions have a positive outlook. They do not approach problems with a mindset of defeat. In fact, they thrive on the existence of challenges. They learn novel ways of approaching problems when old ones cease to work. Ask the right questions. Being a problem solver is about being inquisitive. It is about having a curious nature and a love for research. You must be willing to see what others see and hear their thoughts to come up with answers to different issues. Find out what people need in your area of service and aim to provide it. This is also important in the corporate world. Successful companies have people willing to do consistent market research so that there is no gap between what the company is supplying and what the customer needs. Challenge assumptions. We cannot solve problems with the same thinking used in creating them. Albert Einstein: if you are to be a significant contributor to solving problems, you must not base your process on theories and assumptions. The world is dynamic. You can challenge theories and replace them with better ones. What works for one problem may not work for new challenges. A problem solver must not be rigid. They must challenge pre-existing systems and provide better ones. Have the insight to look at the problem from a different angle from what is normal. Be realistic. Problem solvers are risk takers, but they are also realistic. When your solution does not cover the gap, do not take it as a personal attack. Be realistic about a need for another solution instead of sticking with what is not working. It is possible to carve your name in history by either being part of the problem or part of the solution. Be part of the solution by being a critical thinker. Develop the right mindset to approach challenges and offer solutions that answer the needs of people around you, and they will remember you for decades to come. Every problem has a solution. You just have to be creative enough to find it. Travis Kalanick. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.